Mature frog. Mature frog. Okay, one more time. Let's practice. Eggs. Eggs. Tadpole. Tadpole. Tadpole with legs. Tadpole with legs. Okay, froglet. Froglet. And finally, mature frog. Mature frog. Okay. Now, mature frog. Now, one more time. Let's eggs. 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 Tadpole. Tadpole. Yeah. Tadpole with eggs. Again, tadpole with eggs. Okay, Eddie. I'm coming. Look, Eddie. I can catch a fish. It's not a fish, Toto. It's a tadpole. A tadpole? A frog? Was a tadpole before. After about 14 weeks, the tadpole becomes a frog. Wow! It's an amazing animal. Okay, now, okay, I have a question. Can you see? How many people can you see? Yes, boy? 5? Are you sure 5? Are you sure 5? Are there 5 people in the picture? Yes? Yes? A family. Okay, how many people in the family? How many people? 5? 5? Are you sure? 5?